Welcome to Happy Valley, to this stunning home here in the Altamont gated community. At 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 4,600 square feet, you will be happy. I want to thank Zak Meaut of Premier Property Group for allowing me to tour this beautiful home. With these beautiful tours of downtown Portland and beyond, you can't go wrong. Let's check this house out. So as you enter in this home, you're greeted by this grand entry here with restoration hardware, chandeliers, and fixtures throughout the home. You have your office coming in to your right with built-in cabinetry, wall-to-wall carpet, and huge windows for natural lighting. And it just flows so smooth into this living room space with these beautiful columns here. Just adds to the richness of the space here. In this living room, you have wall-to-wall carpet, gas fireplace, recessed lightings, and you have built-in speakers throughout the home. And again, these big windows here, just to let in the natural light. Not to mention here, these French doors that leads to this awesome deck. So you have this upper and lower deck here in this home with space enough to entertain at least 10 people here, with beautiful views of downtown going northwest here, and this beautiful greenery here just to look at as you enjoy this home. And as you walk into your beautiful kitchen, you have these beautiful stainless steel appliances throughout here. You have your built-in microwave, refrigerator, and Thermador oven here with a pop filler. And check out this backsplash here. This glass herringbone backsplash, very beautiful. Great addition here. Granite countertops. You got like a double island going on here. Hunter Douglas automated blinds. So you have the Hunter Douglas automated blinds in the kitchen, in the bedrooms, and in the office space. Great addition. And then you have your eating space. Can seat at least 4 or 5 people here. Not to mention restoration hardware, chandelier here, just adds to the richness of this whole living space here. And as you exit the kitchen, you pass yet another refrigerator made by True here. You can store your drinks, your sodas, a little food for the kids here. Leading to the dining area. This dining area can at least fit 10 people here. Amazing light fixtures, sconces. I mean, this is a beautiful space. Again, with the big windows. And check out the floors. The wood floors, white oak. You got it all on the top level here. Beautiful space. Let's go to the primary bedroom. And you enter into your primary bedroom here through those French doors. This room is beautiful. You have your tray ceilings. You have recessed lighting. You have these restoration hardware chandeliers here, where each crystal is about 10 pounds and it's about $2,000 per crystal. And everything in this house is automated through Alexa. Watch this. Hey Alexa, turn off crystal. Hey Alexa, turn on crystal. Hey Alexa, turn on crystal. Bam, there you go. The blinds are automated as well by Hunter Douglas. And you have your own door here going to the balcony, which I showed you earlier. And coming into your primary bathroom, you have your double vanity sink with these restoration hardware fixtures again. Natural light here with your floor to ceiling mirror here to check yourself out before you go to work so you can afford this home. Then you got your 66-inch soak-in tub, floor to ceiling glass stand-in shower. Beautiful hardware in here. granite. Then after you exit your shower, you dry off here, and you walk in here to your walk-in closet. It's a big walk-in closet. Another floor-to-ceiling mirror. And hopefully, you don't gotta take a poop after the shower. But if you do, we got this automated Toto toilet. Take a poop, and it's gonna wash you up automatically. Let's go to the entertainment room. And now for this entertainment room or family room, you have your built-in entertainment center here with your built-in speakers here in the entertainment center and on the wall. You have your recessed lighting, another door here going to another balcony. And if I did mention, there's the primary bedroom, which is, people want that a lot. Primary bedrooms on the main level with the 4 other bedrooms down here and 2 bathrooms. So thanks again for joining us on this tour here. Thanks to Zak Meaut for allowing us to tour this beautiful home. And if you want to see more tours like this here once a week, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be alerted. And until next time, see you again.